Welcome to the Unfiltered Beauty Edit podcast. I'm Poppy, a beauty content creator, a professional hair colorist with a deep love for glowing skin, simplified routines and makeup, and honest conversations. This podcast is your space for all things beauty in life, especially for those of us navigating our 30s and beyond. Here we'll talk about skin shifts, self-care, slow beauty, makeup that enhances without masking, beauty trends, how to build confidence from the inside out, no gatekeeping, no fluff, just real stories, helpful tips, and thoughtful edits to your beauty routines and life. So you'll hear solo episodes with me and deep dive topics into why glass skin might not be the goal after 30, decluttering your makeup bag and doing more with less, creating a low maintenance lifestyle that actually feels really good, and how beauty can both be empowering and effortless. I'm also going to touch on the content creator side of things if you're a creator or you're interested in that side of things too. And we will be bringing on guests, women that I just admire in beauty, wellness, content creation, and all things life, to share what shaped them and how they stay inspired. So whether you're here to learn, to laugh, to reset, or feel seen, this podcast is a soft landing spot. It's where beauty's really going to meet life and where being unfiltered just means bringing real and raw. So thank you so much for tuning in, and you can follow me across my social media platforms. There'll be a new episode dropping every single week on a Monday, so stay tuned.